I look so great right now. My best. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. My name's Chelsea, aka Cdubs, and today's video is going to be a fun one because it's a hair video. I don't think I've ever done a hair video actually, but so it's going to be comparing the Frieda. I don't even know what this is called, you guys, because it's so old. So it's a hair blow dryer brush. So these are huge right now. I have had this thing since 2013 and I'm obsessed with it. It gives you the perfect little blowout wave. But it's getting a little old. It's getting a little crusty, you know. We've had her since 2013. I think it's time to give her up. So I went out and I bought the new Revlon hairdryer brush because I've heard so many good things about it. I've been putting it off buying this, and I finally went to Bed Bath & Beyond. Did it because they had it on sale and it was like 40 bucks. So I picked one up. I got the black and pink one because it was the cheapest one. I wanted the black one, but it was like $10 more. So I was like, you know what? I can deal with the pink stripe. I mean, it's not that bad. But yeah, so this is them side by side. Obviously the size difference, pretty drastic. I'll be interested to see how this shape works. If it's more like a curl rather than this one where it's just like a circle, so it like kind of gives you that like wave. But this one might be nice. I know this one's gonna be nice because it's new and expensive. Not expensive, it's $40. Ooh, but I haven't tried it yet. The little twist tie is still on there. The one thing I was kind of concerned about, I've heard a lot of people say that this gets really hot, which, I mean, it makes sense because this is all metal in here. This one does get pretty hot too, so we'll see. And then the thing I did like about this, it has this little indent right here. So you can kind of, while you're doing your hair, like put your finger there and kind of like guide it through. So I thought that was kind of cool. So the controls are down here at the bottom. Just the usual, like off, cool, low, high. And you hit this little button in and you spin it like that. Whereas this one, it's right there. And you just kind of go like this and just move it up and down. So what I'm going to do, I haven't showered yet, so that's why I look like this. A little hungover, had too many Bud Light seltzers last night, but we're not going to talk about that. Yeah, so I'm going to go shower. I'm going to wash my hair, do my makeup, and then we're going to do half my hair, the Frieda, and then half the Revlon, and we'll see how it looks, and we'll compare. Sound good? Good. Let's go get clean. Alright, here we are, fresh and clean. I went a little heavy on the makeup today, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go shopping after this. I have some grocery stuff to do and I might go to the mall. We'll see how I feel. So I'm gonna split my hair into two, but before I do that, I wanna do some heat protectant. So this is the Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press heat protectant, and I just spray that all throughout. So I'm going to do this side of the Frieda, and then I'm going to do this side, the Revlon. So I'm going to just tie this side off first. And I'm going to do the Frieda first because that's what I'm used to. I'm just going to do it how I usually do it. Cute. Usually when I do this side, I do it into two sections, I think. 2 or 3. So I'll like section my hair off here and then do that. So I usually just section my hair off like in half, and I'll do the bottom half and then I'll do the top half after. Here we go. So my hair is damp. As you guys can see, it's not completely wet, so it's it's damp because I did my makeup, so. All right, so let's plug this baby in. Sounds great. Like that. I'll just go underneath. Like And with this, you can do pretty big sections because it is kind of a big brush, so. The thing with this is that I'm interested to see if the other brush does, is that this takes a while to dry your hair. Like, even after you run it through a couple times, your hair is not completely dry. It still feels that, like, damp feeling. So I'm wondering if the Revlon does that. So if it dries the hair completely. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? So I kind of like dig it into my hair just to kind of like lift the roots a little bit. And then I just kind of unwind it like that. And then drag it down. So my hair, it's dry. It's not completely dry, but I'm gonna do this section, same thing. Be a long video. Yeah. I'll fast forward it. All right, there's the bottom section. Like I said, not completely dry. It still feels kind of a little damp. All right, let's do the top section. You guys see what I'm doing? I'm just smoothing it out. I'm just running it through first, just to kind of dry it. My bangs. Okay. So this is what we got. So as you can see, it kind of has this nice wave. It's very bouncy, very shiny. Not bad. Yeah. Just kind of gives it the wave and the like volume that you want. So let's do this side, shall we? I'm gonna unplug this beast, then I'm gonna plug this one in. Ooh, you hear that, baby? That's high. Holy shit. Low. Cool. That's some fucking power. So that's definitely gonna dry my hair, I'm sure. So I'm gonna just section off my hair again. All right, here we go. I'm scared. Okay. My hair's already dry. Holy crap. My hair is already dry, way more dry than this side. Wow. The power of that dryer, that's unreal. Okay, let's do this side. I'm gonna do it on the low setting to see how, like, even the low setting. It's already dry. Holy crap. And it's hot. Like, the barrel is hot, but it's not like, you wouldn't like grab this. You'd grab this, obviously. What? Okay. You guys. I always love finding new products. Let's do this side. Back section. Dry. Done. Obviously, the power on the Revlon one is way more than the John Frieda one. Yeah. The Revlon side is a little bit more smooth. There's less frizz. And there's definitely more volume on this side. What the? Okay. Yeah. You guys need to go buy that. And my hair on the John Frieda side still feels a little bit damp, like underneath especially, still feels a little damp. This side feels completely dry. You guys, that literally took 2 minutes to do this half my head. Yeah, so $40. I got mine at Bed Bath & Beyond. I randomly found it online on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond. And they have it at, you can literally get this anywhere. I saw it at CVS, Target, you can get it at Target, Amazon, online, Ulta, I'm pretty sure has it. Yeah, go pick yours up. They come in a bunch of different colors. I think there's a blue one, there's a black one. Definitely worth the money. You can see my hair is nice and shiny. It just gives it that nice blowout feel, that nice fresh. Oh, there's nothing better than like fresh washed hair when it's all done. Yeah, go pick it up. That's the end of my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's be friends. Follow me on all my stuff. I'll link this Revlon down below. I don't think we can find the John Frieda online anymore because it's so damn old. So yeah, go pick it up. I will see you guys next time. Bye.